In this week's video, we'll be making one recipe and using it 6 different ways. So come along with me and let's get started. I went ahead and drained 1 can of black beans, rinsed them off with water, and go ahead and dump them on in. So adding a 1/2 cup of water. Bay leaf. Usually I would add fresh cilantro, but I don't have any today, so I'm just going to sprinkle on some of the dried. And salt and pepper to taste. Okay, with the black bean mixture, I'm going to be making a really delicious egg burrito. So here's another use for these black beans. Got some corn flour tortillas, an egg, a red pepper, avocado, and some cheese, and of course cilantro. In my frying pan, I got some red peppers and the black bean mixture. I'm going to go ahead and put in a tortilla. Right, on the other side of the pan, I threw in an egg. Got these really great tortilla holders. We have a whole set of them, but got the corn tortilla in the holder with the egg, the beans, and the peppers. Just gonna put on some avocado and some cilantro and eat.